The history and heritage of St. John's is significant and reflects the unique character of our province. Did you know that there are over 150 designated heritage buildings in the city of St. John's? Our shared heritage has the power to bring people together and create a sense of belonging. During the third week in February, the city celebrates Heritage Day and Heritage Week at City Hall. To mark this occasion, we are holding a flag raising, a coffee break, a photo exhibit, heritage awards, and a workshop. To learn more, visit stjohns.ca. Let's celebrate our heritage together.
We're here to celebrate our built heritage. These older buildings are links to our past and they help shape our community. Preserving or restoring the original character of a building in Heritage Area 2, the Georgestown Inn, 50 Bonaventure Avenue. Preserving or restoring the original character of a building in Heritage Area 3, Catherine House at 90 Lamarchin Road. Preserving or restoring the original character of a heritage building, the Royal Bank at 226 Water Street. Rehabilitating an older building, including successfully integrating modern elements. Bannerman Brewing Company at 90 Duckworth Street, the former East End Fire Station. Rehabilitating an older building, including successfully integrating modern elements. The Parlour at 85 Military Road. Stewardship and long-term preservation of a building in Heritage Area 2, the house at 73 Monkstown Road. Congratulations to all our winners.